Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a very simple program using PHP as our programming language to convert the given string into uppercase format using PHP as our programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much for my new subscribers and my present subscribers to my channel. We are gradually growing by numbers. Little by little, we are improving in terms of numbers of subscribers, views, and some of my viewers also leave encouraging messages and comments to my channel. It really drives me to improve the upcoming video tutorials in my channel. Thank you very much guys for the support. I really appreciate it a lot. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are here in my IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. It is free. You can download it freely from the internet. It is one of the most versatile and excellent text editor that I use now in my career in computer programming. So here we can start with a less than question mark PHP, and then I can write here dollar string. Let's say for example, instead of string we have here title PHP small letters programming for beginners, double quotation, semicolon to terminate the string, and then we have here echo less than header 1 echo given string dot dollar title. Okay, so echo again. By this time we have here br. What we can simply do is to copy this one, say uppercase format here. Sorry, echo str upper, and then dollar title semicolon question mark greater than. Now here, take a closer look. We have here the title of our string to be converted into uppercase, PHP programming for beginners, and then we will display the original string, and then using a function str upper, it will convert the given string into uppercase format. After we have done guys, the next step that we will do is to simply save our work. Control S. In our local disk, we go to our SAMP htdocs, right click, we create a folder, new folder, and say for example upper, double click that particular folder, and then we have here index.php. In the save as type, you have to be specific. Select PHP and then click the save button. Okay, the next step that we'll do is to check our code to our browser. I will be using Opera. So type on the taskbar localhost upper slash index dot php. Press the return key. Okay, there is an error. str to upper. Okay, and then here I forgot. Okay, to put a closure. Let's just refresh. Okay, so we have here the result. Okay, it displayed the given string PHP programming for beginners, and then the uppercase format, it convert the whole string into capital letters or uppercase. PHP programming for beginners by using this function str to upper, a built-in function in PHP to convert any given word or a string or a sentence into uppercase format in PHP. Before we end, guys, I would like to say thank you for watching this video tutorial. And then before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.